Hey everyone, it's Ben with Master Spot Parts. Today we have the Laing Circulation Pump, part number X400825. A couple of things we want to go over and show you on this. These have been used in a Master Spot since about 2009, so there are some changes in the newer stuff versus that older stuff. They added a grounding lug, so if your tub doesn't have this metal section with the screw, you need to put a wire in here, copper wire from here to your grounding lug on your circuit panel. And then the other thing we wanted to show you is how to rotate this wet end. Not very many applications have I seen where this is changed in this setup, but it does happen. So there's a nut, this is actually a nut. So I use my oil filter wrench, loosen this up a little bit. This comes off. You have to take this completely apart. This comes off of the stand here. Spin it, put it back on the stand. Apply, retighten the nut down. Put the pump back in the tub. You're all set and ready to go. If you have any further questions, please feel free to give us a call, 855-308-2149. Have a good rest of your day.